How to make a photo dump on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Then tap on Select Multiple at the bottom. Now select as many photos as you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can swipe to view the pictures you selected. You can also edit them as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. For example, tap on the text icon. Then type in any text here to add it to the photos. You can also change the font style, size, as well as the font color from here. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can now place the text wherever you want over the photo. Swipe to edit each photo as you like. Once you're done, tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily make a photo dump on TikTok.